Hey guys! Welcome to the show, and this episode we're going to talk about things you can do when the crowds get too much for you.
Yes, if you have a problem with lots of people around you and you like to get away from them just for a little while, we'll show you where to go.
Are you looking for more fun and informative videos about Disneyland Paris? Check out our other episodes, we know you're gonna like too. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get back to the video.
There's actually a special secret path you can take to avoid, for example, the parade. And it's amazing because you can skip all the busy, crowded places, and it's also covered. So that's really easy for when it's raining. We will show you where to go. We are next to Casey's Corner, and if you walk to the other side of Casey's Corner, you'll see the gallery, and here we go. Freedom, the feeling, it's wonderful. Okay, guys,
Space!
this is what we are talking about. This is our advice.
If you're looking for a quiet place outside of the hustle and the bustle of the big crowds, or some escape from the noise from the parade or something, look for these covered walkways. Most of the times they're quiet and easy.
Yeah, and they go all the way from Adventureland, Frontierland to Mainstreet, so it's very easy.
Very easy. And now there's a bunch of people.
This can happen, guys. It's no guarantee, but
It's no guarantee, but it's still a whole lot quieter and easy going than the crowds.
absolutely.
Looking for a quiet spot in Frontierland? Well, you have to go to BootHill, it's behind Phantom Manor. It's under construction right now, so we cannot show you, but last year we went there and we did this whole a whole video about the Phantom Manor and also BootHill. So check that one out and you can see how quiet it is over there. So if you're looking for a quiet spot, it's the place for you.
So, another quiet...
I will stop doing that.
No. Another quiet place for you if you want to... Another quiet place to go.
All joking aside, we're still on the hunt for places to avoid the crowd in Disneyland Paris. Well, the next one is above the entrance to Frontierland. Most visitors just walk underneath it, but very little people walk upstairs. You can enjoy some alone time, a beautiful view over Frontierland, and learn about the history of the Old West.
Another quiet place where you can go if you want to get out of the crowds is right behind me here at River Creek. But at the moment it's closed because it's part of the refurbishment of the High Chaparral Theater. So the theater and the train station are closed at the moment. But after refurbishment, most of the time it's nice and quiet over here for you to get some relaxation without too much noise.
So we're next to Café de Cascadeur, and around this spot there are several quiet places. For example, at the terrace, most of the time it's quite empty. Today, of course, it's sunny, so people are sitting outside, but still, it's a good spot to just relax a bit. And there's also another spot that I would like to show you. In front of us is Rock and Roller Coaster. So if you go around Café de Cascadeur, here you see a bench. And this bench is next to an exit for cast members, but you are allowed to sit here. They probably put it here because of people who are waiting for the restaurant, but this is actually a very good quiet place, and it's also shady.
Did you know that you can already make some crowd avoiding choices when you enter Disneyland Paris? When you've parked your car, you'll see the moving walkways that lead you towards the back check and the entrance of the Disneyland Park. How convenient these moving walkways may seem, to avoid the crowds, don't use them, but walk next to them. You'll have more space and you can choose your own pace.
And when you arrive towards the gates of Disneyland Paris,
you will see that they've got security over there, the bag check. Now if there's a huge line in front of one of the bag checks, look left and right because there are more bag checks. There are 3 bag checks in total. And chances are high that they're also open and you have a much shorter wait line, with less crowd around you. And I think it's better for when you have anxiety or when you don't like crowds.
Now you're in the park and you don't want to take Main Street. Well, you do. You do want to take Main Street, but if it's already too crowded and you're arriving in the park later in the day, and you think, well, a bit too crowded, or there is a parade, take the arcade. At the moment there's a parade going, and as you can see, it's a whole lot quieter.
When there's a parade going on, you can go inside shops, because shops are then suddenly a lot quieter because everybody's watching the parade and you are inside in air conditioning and it's very comfortable.
Great idea. Even in Adventureland, near Pirates of the Caribbean, you can find some quiet places. Like over here on this bench, or down here by the tower. It's a quiet walkthrough. And if you turn even further, you've got this walkway down here, which ends up under the bridge downtown, where it's also nice and quiet. See? Elise has found the quiet place.
I think so. Well, it's not really quiet. I'm next to a speaker, but that music is soothing. But I think this is a very good spot.
So guys, this was the episode from today. We hope that you liked it and you can make use of it yourself.
So maybe next time we'll
see you in Main Street.
Bye. You can help us get out of this maze by subscribing.
Please don't let us down.
Help us get our subscribers up. Turn on your alerts for weekly new videos.
And push that subscribe button under this video.